Stretched step down chopper. This is quite an unconventional question. मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ा सा अलग तरह क्वेश्चन है. 30 क्वेश्चन और 35 मास्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर में ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग जनरली नहीं देखते इस तरह क्वेश्चन. मतलब हम लोग ये इस तरह चॉपर भी ज़्यादा नहीं इतना पढ़ते हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा सा ये अलग हो गया. चलिए क्वेश्चन को शुरू किया जाए, डिस्कस किया जाए, चर्चा किया जाए इस पर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35 इन द मास्टर क्वेश्चन पेपर इज एज फॉलोज. Force commutated is given. Force commutated thyristorized step down chopper. You can write the exact words given the question. Thyristorized step down chopper. Is given the question. Neglect on state voltage drop across the power devices. Capacitor is initially charged. Degrees as the polarity given, and load current IL assumed to be constant at 10 ampere, and initially THM thyristor is on, THA is off. Okay, and is required to find the turn off time available to THM in microseconds. When THA is triggered. To 3 decimal, I think. Whatever, it doesn't matter. 2 decimal something. So chopper circuit is given somewhat like this. This is the main thyristor THM. Parallel L is connected, and this is connected. There is a capacitor here. 10 microfarad. The load is connected. Here there is THA. And this load is connected here. Parallel is connected. Load is connected. Constant current load. Running 10 amperes. Okay. This is 50 volts. So the question is pretty simple. It is equal to find the time available, turn off time available to this THM after THA is switched on. Let's analyze what will happen after THA is switched on, and when the instant will come when THM will get switched off, so that THA will carry all the load current. The load current here is constant at 10 amperes. Okay. So when initially this was THM was on and THA is off. So THM is carrying all the load current, that is 10 amperes initially. Now once THA is switched on, some part of the load current will flow through THA and flow towards the load. I mean, it will get distributed among THM and THA. Okay. So the current through THM plus current through THA will be 10 amperes. Now this capacitor initially charged to 50 volts in this polarity will get gradually discharged. Charged in the opposite direction, such that an instant will come when this thyristor M will stop conducting. It turned off, and all the load current will be carried through thyristor A. And at that instant, as you can see, when this is turned on, constant current. The load is not changing, current is through the load is also not changing. So voltage through the load is also constant, 10 ampere into the load impedance. And when this is conducting initially, this is short. So this voltage gets carried through this point to the load. So effective voltage across the constant current load is also 50 volts, right? So finally also, as the current drawn will be the same, load has not changed. So the final voltage also through the constant current load will also be 50 volt, and at that instant this will have stopped conducting, and the entire current will be conducted by THA. Okay. So the capacitor will also get short at that time, because to have 50 volts across here, this branch must be short. This is already short when it is conducting, so this voltage should also be 0. So initially this VC0 we know, with the polarity it is given as 50, and let's say turn off time is T off. Okay, turn off time. Turn off time or THB. At this instant, what will happen? The voltage across the capacitor will be 0. Okay, and the current through the capacitor will be how much? Current with this polarity it should be flowing this direction. That is, this direction is positive. So when the entire current is carried by THA, this current will same current will flow to the capacitor, and this will be the load current. So IC turn off will be how much? This is at turn off time. This is IL T off will be how much? Minus IL will be minus 10, because all the current will flow through the thyristor A to the capacitor to the load. So this will be minus, and VC delta VC will be what? VC T off minus VC0. 0 minus 50. 0 minus 50 equal to minus 50 volt. Now we can apply the equation for voltage and current and capacitor at T off, T equal to T off. At T equal to T off, what will happen? IC T off equal to C delta VC by T off. You can write this. Okay. IC T off is what? Minus IL, so minus 10. So minus 10 equal to capacitance is given as 10 microfarad, 10 mu. Delta V is how much? Minus 50. What do we need to find? T off. From this equation, what we can do? We simplify. So if you take back side, T off simply comes as 50 microseconds. Pretty simple. Simply I will explain the process, how the circuit is working. So the answer to this question is pretty simple, 50. Turn off time available to THA is microseconds. So dB comes in microseconds is 50. This is 1 mark in NET type question. Sorry. And pretty simply I have solved it. Explain the process also of how the circuit works and how the turn off time has been derived. So I hope it helps and it's clear for the viewers.